4-month challenge as part of the SHARIA Homes Challenge, and we're going to have a look at what we've done to start this project off in week 1. I'm going to go inside and I'm going to give you guys a little bit of an update. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to strip the house out. Prior to doing that, on the left hand side and on the right hand side, we have to get a party wall agreement in place with the next door neighbours, which has been done. And this week we've focused on stripping the house out. So let's just take a little walk through and see what's been done. I can see the staircase has all been stripped out, and straight ahead of me on the right hand side there's a kitchen. We'll go in there in a moment. And then on the right hand side here we're in the double reception room, and you can see all of this rubbish is now being stored here, which will then be taken away. It's going to be taken away with a van that will come here. Either that, or we can have a skip outside. We're just going to get a van to just clear this away, and then eventually we'll get a skip in here. But as you can see here, it's all been stripped out, and we're getting prepared for the main gut out, which is going to be the ceilings and the walls. We're going to go back to the bricks, and then I'm going to start work on the extension. And you can see on the back side there, we've got some greenery, which means that we've been working on the garden as well. Let's take a look in here. So going through to where the kitchen used to be, all the floors have been stripped out. This is stage 1 before the major works begin. And this is where we used to have a kitchen, and everything's been ripped out once again. And then coming into the garden, let's have a look. Part of the garden on the right hand side, there used to be a wall there. The trees being cut down as well, which we're going to have a look at. And then on the left hand side here we've got this makeshift extension stroke shed, and we're going to start demolishing that. And before we demolish that, we're going to speak to the neighbours and just to see how they want us to finish the wall once that gets down, to make sure that we don't disturb the neighbours as part of our party wall agreement as well. Let's take a look upstairs. So coming upstairs now, this is really important, guys. So stage 1 is stripping the house of all carpets, furnishings, old bathrooms, old kitchens, and just taking it back to the floorboards. First bedroom here, once again being stripped out. We're going to change those windows eventually. We're going to change those windows. That radiator will come out, and coming to the back end, so we've got 2 bedrooms there. We can see it's been stripped out. All the floors have been stripped. Turning left here, the bathroom hasn't been stripped, but that will get stripped out next week. And then just going into these 2 bedrooms. The first one, all the carpets, there's still a few pieces here which will get removed, and then they'll get taken off site. And the second bedroom here is carpets are stripped, and then the wallpaper gets stripped as part of the second stage. All these ceilings will come down, and that's when it starts getting really messy and really dusty. So we're going to have another good update next week, but that gives you an idea of the process, and I hopefully will keep you updated. Not hopefully, I'll definitely keep you updated on the progress, so that you can follow, and then you can start getting prepared to do your own project, or to join me on one of my joint ventures under SHARIA Homes. We never take loans, we never take bank loans or deal with interest. It's all under SHARIA compliant principles, and we then don't have any pressure from banks, and we're in control of our own destiny, and that is the key. So stay tuned. I'll see you again next week, and this house is going to get messy, very messy indeed. So hopefully you enjoy this, and you've picked up some tips, and I'll see you next week. Take care. Agent M out.